uncle, welcome back to Red Panda Cooking! Today we'll be making some delicious Japanese garlic fried rice. For this recipe we'll be using... Today we'll be attempting to make an awesome fried rice without using day-old rice. Day-old rice refers to rice being cooked and refrigerated 1 day ahead. This step can help to dry out the rice and give it a good texture. But there's another method to get drier rice. It's faster and easier to get drier rice by cooking the rice with lesser water. Wash the rice several times until the water is clear. Once the rice is cooked, loosen it up and set aside in a bowl to let it cool down. The rice needs to be warm, not too hot, not too cold. Heat the pan with oil before adding the egg. Don't overcook the scrambled egg, we'll be cooking it again later on. Set aside. Reheat the pan with some oil. Test to see if the pan is hot enough before adding the minced garlic. Cook the garlic for about 30 seconds or until slightly brown before adding the diced onions. Cook the onions for about 30 seconds and add the black bacon. After about 1 minute, add the butter. When the butter melts, add the warm rice. Don't squash the rice, just separate them with this kind of motion. If you squash the rice, it will become lumpy and sticky and the texture won't be as nice. Remember to move or flip the rice, if not, one side will become burnt. Breaking the rice apart like that does take some time and effort, but then it's worth it. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the rice is dry and slightly brown. Then add the secret, not so secret anymore, mixture, which the dry rice will absorb. Then cook for 1 to 2 minutes depending on how strong the fire is before adding the scrambled egg. Just quickly mix well. Add the sesame seeds and mix well. This recipe will also go well with salmon head miso soup. Throw in the spring onions and voila! Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.